as a neuro minority, the world is built for neurotypical, the majority. Tu benda yang
Neuro minority. First time I heard it. Which is true lah. I mean, we're talking about neurodivergent. Okay.
Kita panggil neuro minority lah versus majority kan. Sistem kan built on the most common.
But how much should we advocate for all this accommodation then?
I think as much as possible.
It should. Because satu, the numbers are increasing, and then also kalau zaman-zaman dulu mungkin lah all those kids yang ada on the mungkin level 3 autistic tak dibawa keluar pun sebab tak ada kemudahan, tak ada tak faham, tak ada sokongan kan.
Tak ada calm room kat luar kalau nak you get stimulated kan.
Parents punya anxiety lah. Parents bila rasa supported, walaupun tak semestinya akan gunakan pun calm room dekat airport tu, tapi knowing that it's there,
ada option.
So yeah.
Betul.
I like what I picked up from what Izzat said is cara sometimes bila kita minta untuk the accommodation, actually it makes a big difference tau. So when you as a person pergi minta, macam contoh tadilah, kalau ada, boleh tak bagi saya duduk depan? And when you approach a person with that, the person on the receiving end, sebab you dah tanya dengan sungguh lemah lembut and like, kalau ada, they are going to go out of their way to try and get it for you. Right? Tapi you have already frame in your mind, okay lah, kalau ada, kalau tak dapat pun tak apalah. So there is no like animosity, like, oh I need to fight for this. Kan? So because when you go in and minta marah-marah, orang on the receiving end pun, alah, orang dah marah, tak payahlah. I'm just gonna say tak ada.